My name is Sharmila and I'm from Bombay, and we have a branch, two branches in Chennai, which is one is in Palladium, which we covered in the morning, and here we are sitting at Anna Nagar, where we are here in Anna Nagar also. So yeah, these are the two outlets right now. We have it in Chennai, but we will be coming very soon for more branches. And yeah, so we are here. So you all can visit in Chennai, you all can visit Anna Nagar and Palladium.
What special is this branch, ma'am?
Huh?
What special this branch?
No, this branch and that branch is same. There's no special. Only thing that is in the mall and this is on the high street. That's the only difference. Otherwise, everything is same. Whatever we do there, we do here also same. Everything, all the SOP and everything. It's followed same procedure. Everything, training also same thing. Everything. And we are here also we are using OPI and all brand products. So there also we have the same. And we also have a pedicure, and we also launched now new gel polish top coat. So what happens if you have a natural, for example, if you have natural nails and somebody wants to put gel polish, so you don't have to buff. You just apply a top coat which we have and keep it for 5 minutes. It automatically peels it off. So you don't have to buff it, which nobody in India does it. So we are the ones who are only doing it. So there are a lot of key points we have which we are doing it. Everybody is not doing that. That is my key.
Price, ma'am, affordable?
Price is also very affordable. It starts from 2000 with extension and gel polish.
What are the variations of it?
Yeah, we have we do service like nails, lashes, eyebrow tinting, then lash lifting, then we do lash tinting, then we have not started, we want to start permanent makeup also, so we'll be coming very soon. But that will be microblading and lip tattoo, which people don't have eyebrows, or, the color of the lips are dark, right? So we do the pink, we put the pigment and we do the pink. So it is called permanent makeup, which stays for 2-3 years. So which we haven't launched here as yet, but we'll be launching very soon. So those two services.
Permanent makeup.
Permanent makeup cost will be higher because it starts with 20,000, but we'll have an offer like 20% or 30% off.
We have to go for the appointment or?
Yeah, if you take appointment, because right now we have not individually started here. So what we are doing right now, we are taking the advance money and we are calling somebody from Bombay and who's coming and doing the treatment here. But we are very, very soon, we are going to train here and there also. We will train the technicians and we'll start taking clients here directly. So anybody can come, just walk in. Also, we can take them.
Since you said it's permanent, anything others or some damages?
No, there is no side effect, there is no allergy, nothing. It only when you're doing the service, it becomes a little reddish, but then it gets settled down. After 2-3 days, it gets settled down. It's like anything if you do, it is little redness. So that, and lips also little fluffy is there, but then in 2-3 days, it settles down and then your face becomes very natural. I can show you if you want the before and the after look. Yeah, I'll show you. Simran, do we have before and after? Can you just share with me? We are specializing in mani-pedi. The way we do mani-pedi over here, we don't do everywhere. Like all my branches, all my branches, we have same manicure pedicures. So that we do nails, extensions, gel polish, nail art, then microblading, permanent makeup, which I told you, lashes, brow.
This one is permanent or?
And eyelashes also, for permanent makeup it stays for like 2-3 years, and then you do touch up. Like 2 years it stays.
Eyelashes.
Yeah, eyelashes also we do, which stays around 15 to 20 days.
20 days.
Yeah, and then you have to touch up. You have to touch up. So we have different kind of lashes. Like we have a single line, Russian, Marbi, all different, like volume. If you want more volume, you want less, you want very natural look. So it depends what client wants. Accordingly, we do a consultation and we tell them to go for this or that. So that way. So we are,
what timing shop, madam? Time?
we open from morning 10 and we close at 9.
24
Yeah.
bar 7.
Yeah, 24/7. Like, I mean, all year, throughout year, we don't have any holiday. Because in salon industry, salons are all open every day. So we never close.
Okay, thanks, ma'am.
Any summer offers like that, ma'am?
Yeah, we have sometimes, we have offers. So whenever we have offer something, we do post on our Insta page and we do marketing also, like, paid marketing on Facebook and Insta. So we have, yeah, we do keep offers. Even bridal also we have offers. Like if some bridal, if she wants to do full, then we do, even we are doing vaccine also over here, right? Are we doing vaccines there?
Yes.
We are doing pedicure, manicure, and then extensions and all. And plus they can do lashes and everything. So we have that complete package of bridals, which we have. But that is what happens when the season starts for wedding season. Then we keep those offers, especially
Offers, how many percentage, ma'am, you give?
especially for bridals we have offers.
Offers.
Yeah.
As I said, for bridal, you put for the facial and
No, we don't do facials. We don't do facials. We don't do hair.
because
We do head
bridal
massage. We do
basic
head.
is facial and the then.
Yeah, but that is in salon. They have beauty where they
So
do
first you have to
hair
go for there
and then
come.
then comes.
So they'll ask you questions.
No, because we are specializing in certain services which we only cater specialized, services. So we cannot do other things what everybody like. If we are not good in that particular category, we don't want to spoil our name and we don't want to do that. So and there are places which we are specializing only nails, mani, pedi.
Yes, of course,
You know,
I can
huh.
understand, but
Yeah.
first we have to go for
Hair and yeah. That you have to go for hair and yeah.
Okay, thanks,
But
ma'am.
we have vaccines here. We do vaccines and mani-pedi. Because after vaccine only you're supposed to do manicure and pedicure, ideally. Because you remove all the hair and then you do the manicure and pedicure. So the result is better. The pores are open. So, we scrub it and tanning comes out. So all that is there. Yeah.
Okay,
And
thanks,
we have
ma'am.
a lot of varieties in pedicure also. Like we just don't have one or two. We have range of pedicures. Like we have around 7 to 8 different type of pedicures. Yeah. So those are also very important. And we have all vegan polishes. They are all vegan. And even products we have vegan. And yeah.
Okay, thanks, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
போட்டோ பிடிச்சிவாங்க அப்படி வேணா
Gel polish removal का और but वो काटने की तरह